the one and only Sister Kamala Harris. Welcome, my sister.
I know, I feel very apart and yet close to you.
Sister Kamala, now you're on this run for President of the United States. Tell Uncle Howie what propels you.
The things that propel me are to fix these problems in a way that we understand the people behind the issues and not just engage in grand gestures.
Them say Jamaicans love to broke fight. Is that true about you?
My ambition to fight for equality, to fight for justice, to fight for fairness.
Okay.
And when I think about the prospect of being President of the United States, those will be my values.
Kamala, you want some good head? Yeah, man. Now shape me if I'm right, that's all. From my soul. Yes, man. When I go on the street, right, one of the things that I notice men always talking about is your body. Yeah, your body is a big thing out there. Talk about how your body good now. Kamala is good as. Tell me something about your body that I didn't know.
The body doesn't just start from the neck down. It's all from the neck up.
Interesting. In your own words, who is Kamala Harris?
I am the child of parents who fought for civil rights.
I get that.
am the daughter of a mother who arrived in the United States at the age of 19.
True.
And believed that she and her children could do anything.
I've been hearing and observing, people on your opponent's side act like they have trouble saying your name. What do you think is going on there?
I don't pay attention to the name calling. There are some of us who have lived a lifetime of being called names, and it is predictable and it is childish.
Real talk. Thanks once again, your sister Kamala Harris, the lady straight out of St. Anne, Jamaica. Yeah, I'm running for President of the United States. Uncle Howie, just give Kamala Harris a whole lot of head.